Hi everyone, this is Nikki and welcome back to the Fundamentals of Print Design. In this last lesson for the InDesign basics, I'm going to show you how to link up your content. Now, what do I mean by linking content? In InDesign, anything that you bring into your document that is not created in the InDesign program itself is considered a linked item. This goes for any objects or especially any images that you might bring into your layout. And what InDesign does to keep your file size down is it actually links to your image or the object on your hard drive. So it helps to keep the items that you're having in one place for your project, but if you're going to grab a photo from another document, you can link to it from wherever it resides. The trick is to not move it from there, otherwise you will have linking issues and you'll run into errors. So right here we have a sample document and you can see that I already have some items placed, but I have a spot right here where I can place an item. And just to show you the links, these are all of the items that your document is linking to within InDesign. So I already have a couple of other images here that are linked in other pages. So it shows you what that image is and its location. Now in this palette, you'll notice a few things down here. One is relink, go to link, update the link, and then you can edit the original. Now let me go through each of these really quickly. Let me click on this one right here, and you'll see that it is highlighted down here. If you want to relink it, meaning you want to change the item and make it link to another image, for example, you can just hit that chain and then it brings up Windows Explorer and you can hunt for another image to relink to. The go to link, say you were on another page. Let me go up here real quick and go back to my links. If you highlight something in the palette, you can hit this go to link option and it takes you straight to it. That works really well for items that may be somewhere deep within a document. You may have a document of hundreds of pages and you want to find that image. That makes it really quick and easy. If you were to edit this image in, say, Photoshop or make a change to it, but still keep the path and the name of the file the same, you would have this option right here, which I don't right now because I haven't done anything to this file. But if I were to save it again, this would become available and a little, I want to say like an exclamation point with a yellow triangle shows up there to relink that file, update that file. So that's a quick way to make changes to images and then you can just relink them without having to place them again. But the key to linking up your images is when you want to place them in your document. And there's a couple of ways to do that. The first way is to go to File and then go to Place. And if you don't see Place, like I don't see Place in this option because you may have a custom workspace, you can go down here to Show All Menu Items, and then you'll see that Place is now available. Control D for a PC is the shortcut, Command D is the shortcut on a Mac. And when you hit Place, you have a window that appears with the last place that you actually were at. InDesign remembers kind of where all of your images are that you frequent. So the last place that you brought an image in from is going to appear here under Place. But of course you can navigate to any file, any folder on your hard drive. So if you were to select an image and hit Open, you'll see that it brings this in and you can move your cursor around and place this image wherever you want. If I were to just drop it here, it comes in at full size. So I'll zoom out here really quickly and I want to resize that into the proper place. So I'm just holding Control and Shift to line this up with my guides where I want to. So that's just a quick placement. I may actually drag that across my page a little bit, bring that down. There we go. And voila, we now have an image that's dropped into our document. Another option is you can actually drag and drop items in here from your desktop or other folders on your hard drive. So you can either use the shortcut to place your items. Again, that is Control D. And then you can navigate to the image that you want to, or you can click and drag your photo straight from a open folder on your computer. So that is a look at how to link content. A few things to remember again. Linked content is anything that's not created directly within your project. Mostly you're going to be dealing with images here. The trick is to maintain your location of your image wherever you take it from, because as soon as you change the location, you're going to get errors about linking that content. And then when you save out your final PDF or format, you will not have that image linked with that PDF, and that could cause a problem when you send this file away from your computer. As long as you have the file on your computer, you're not going to actually see the effect of having an error in your linked content, but it's when you send it away, when somebody doesn't have that photo or that item, that you're really going to notice that problem. And then you have a lot of options over here to interact with your linked content. You can update that content easily in another program, and you don't have to keep placing it each time. So now that you have your content linked up, it's time to have some fun in InDesign and start our first project. Thanks for watching.